Hello, and welcome to this brief video tutorial on logging into Blackhawk Technical College's MyBTC site, accessing Blackboard, our online learning management program, and our Orientation to Blackboard and Learning Online course. First, you'll want to navigate to blackhawk.edu. To log into MyBTC, click on the button in the upper right-hand corner labeled MyBTC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main page for MyBTC. There's a lot to do on MyBTC, from registration to financial information, student handbook, and much more. In the Center Quick Links area, there are tabs for several important things that you can do from MyBTC, including your email, OneDrive, Starfish, and links for Zoom and Yuja. You'll want to look in each of these areas to get acquainted with the many different pages available through MyBTC. One of the most important links is to Blackboard, our online learning management portal. Many courses use Blackboard for the course content and online learning, and all courses use Blackboard for your grades. Logging into Blackboard is automatic through this link in MyBTC, but you can also access Blackboard by going to blackhawk.blackboard.com. Click on the button marked Blackboard Courses to be automatically logged into Blackboard. Once there, you can find a large amount of information and links to resources all there to help you with your learning experience at BTC. Please take the time to go through the many links to see the information available to you. Even if you're new to computers and online learning, there are links to help you get more acquainted to computers, like the Basic Computer Skills course. An important area is the My Courses area, which is located on the right-hand side of the page. This area will list out all the courses that you're enrolled in that the instructor has opened up for you to view. This may not be a complete list of all the courses you're enrolled in, as some of them may still be closed to viewing. One of the other tools to help you get a better feel for Blackboard and online learning is the Student Online Orientation to Blackboard and Learning Online course. All students are enrolled in this course, and it's free to everyone. This course is designed to give you some hands-on experience with some of the ways that Blackboard can be used for your courses. This course is graded, and once you complete all the assignments with a cumulative score of 80% or higher, you'll be awarded a certificate of completion. Some instructors require that you present your certificate of completion as a start to the course that they're teaching. This is to assure that you're comfortable with how Blackboard works and can complete the assignments with your current courses. When you click on the orientation course, the top page is Announcements. Please read these first for all your courses, as this page will have important information for your course. If you read the top announcement for this course, it'll detail out what you need to do for this course. Next, click on Getting Started. This will give you a checklist of items that you'll need to do for this orientation course. Follow through this checklist to complete the course. The next item is to click on the Course Content button and read through any parts that are new to you. Next, click on the Assignments button. This will show you the assignments that need to be completed for this course. The first assignment is posting to a discussion board. Many courses feature student interaction and discussion through the discussion board. This assignment is designed to give you a short introduction to posting and reading discussion threads within your course. This assignment is graded by a BTC instructor, so your grade will not show up for this assignment until the instructor grades your entry. Assignment 2 is submitting a file. This is an exercise in preparing a document to upload within Blackboard to complete an assignment. There are several different ways to upload a document, so read through the instructions carefully. This assignment is also graded by an instructor, so your grade will not show up immediately. Assignment 3 is a web search assignment. This is designed to show you how you may be asked to research items using the web to complete answers to questions on a test. Using search engines like Google or Bing can help find the answers that this quiz is asking for. This is graded automatically, so your grade for this assignment will show up immediately upon completion of the assignment. Assignment 4 is 2 separate online quizzes. These two quizzes are done in different formats to give you some insight into the many ways that tests and quizzes can be given through Blackboard. Both of these quizzes are automatically graded, so your test scores will show up immediately. While you need to have a combined score of 80% or better to complete the course, you have the option of trying each of the assignments up to 6 different times to get the best possible score. If at any time you would like to check your overall grade for this course, you can click on the My Grades button on the left-hand side. This will show each of the assignments in the course that are graded, as well as the cumulative score for the course at the top of the page. When you've achieved a score of 80% or higher for the course, you can get your certificate of completion. Click on the Course Completion Cert button right below the Assignments button on the left-hand side of the page. This page will give you detailed instructions on how to create a portfolio to hold your certificate in. You can also print out the certificate should you want or need to. Click on Access Your Certificate. To print out your certificate, click on the printer icon to the right of Course Completion Certificate, or you can click on the 3 lines icon for viewing requirements. This will bring up a window that shows your completion status and a button to print certificate or reward details. Pressing Print Certificate will show you your certificate with an additional Print button. One way of saving the certificate is to save as PDF, if that's an option on your computer. This will save a PDF copy of your certificate that you can then upload in future courses as needed. Be sure to remember where you're saving the PDF on your computer. If you have any questions about logging into MyBTC or questions about Blackboard, please contact the Help Desk.